Hello, Lokesh. Lokesh, just allow me one more minute. One more person
Okay,
is yet to join.
sure.
So, meanwhile, I'll just give a small introduction about our institute, myself, and about my institute. Okay.
Okay, sure.
First
Sure.
of all, thanks everyone. Thank you very much for your time and patience. Thanks for joining. So, we are always delighted to have you all of people in the team as a team. So I'll just give you a brief what I am, who we are, and what we are doing. Myself, Sunil Bhumi, and currently I'm working for Rolls Royce, and I have started this TechVeda Technologies. What we are doing over here, through across the India, we are providing multiple trainings. Starts from Power BI, DevOps, SAP, data science, C, C++, Java. You name the any domain, we are going to train the people across the India. So our aim and our motto is we always bring out the hidden talent from you. We always try to do our best. We are always striving to do deliver the best and bring the talented people to the good platforms. That's our main motto, and that's our more or less about myself and my institute. Thank you very much for joining. Over to you, Lokesh.
Yeah, thanks, Sunil, for handovering it to me. Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, I'll give a quick introduction about myself. Yeah, my name is Lokesh. I'm having total 10.5 years of IT experience and working of one of the leading product-based company. Due to company constraint, I'm keeping my company name anonymous. Okay. Yeah, and I'm have doing these trainings from past 6.5 years and handled more than 160 batches, which basically includes Spotfire and Power BI. Yeah, good to see you all in this meeting, and yeah, happy to learn the things like, yeah, and thanks for showing the interest in attending this Power BI demo. Yeah, can we have a quick introduction about everyone if you're okay? Can we
Sure,
start with, yeah, from Ali? Yeah, yeah, please
sure,
Ali.
Lokesh. I am Mudhar Ali. I am from Nellore. I have a total 4.7 years of experience in Windows administration. So currently I am working in Mindtree, Hyderabad as a Windows in Windows performance. Earlier I have handled Windows platform. So I am interested in Power BI course. So I would like to complete this course, Lokesh.
Yeah, thanks Ali for your good introduction. Yeah, can we go with the next name? I think Ali, it's you, the one Hamid Ali, right? Or no, it's a different person.
Yeah, I am his brother actually.
Okay, hi.
My name is
Yeah, yeah,
Hamid.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah, I have like 3.8 years of experience in data science. So I have worked on both descriptive analytics as well as predictive analytics. So as part of descriptive analytics, I have worked on the data visualization tool called Tableau. So like building dashboards. I think you are aware of Tableau
yeah, yeah,
tool. Yeah.
yeah.
So yeah, apart from that, I have worked on the predictive analytics as well. So I've worked on machine learning and all this stuff. So that's about myself. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Can we go with next? I think it's Suman. Sorry, Nagarjuna. Yeah. Sorry, we are hard to hear you, Nagarjuna. Can can you be a little bit louder, or can you check your mic for your audio? Sorry, Nagarjuna. Still, we are not able to hear you. Okay. In the meantime, you check your issue. We'll move on to the next participant. Yeah. Sumant 131. Can you please?
Yes.
Can you give me a minute, please? I just traveled from Kadapa to Pratipur. I'm just going into my room. Just give me a minute.
Okay. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think there's a next participant, but the name was not there, and it's like a this mobile phone name. Yeah. Can you
Suhas
introduce
Reddy.
him? Yeah. Hasuhas. Can you please unmute and introduce you if you're okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Suhas, we can hear you.
Sir, I'm getting some disturbance. I'm in hostel. I'm
Okay.
unable to introduce. I'm getting some
Okay.
disturbance.
I'm not sure from where you're getting it because we are not hearing any echo or something. Yeah.
Some songs are living. I'm disturbing.
No, we are not getting anything. Guys, are you others? Have you getting it? Ali, Hamidari? No, right?
No, it's just a
We are
air,
able to hear
air.
it.
I think
Yeah.
coming from your mic itself.
From my mic.
Yeah, it's just like an air disturbance. Not that much. It's fine. We can hear you, and it's a
Maybe
pretty
it's
much
like,
clear.
okay, let me mute Nagarjuna. I'm not sure whether it's maybe not from, I don't have anything to and device to play music. Okay. Yeah, guys, yeah. Let me start with a demo on this. Okay. The main agenda of this meeting is it will be last for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, I'm going to give you basically the what are the codes we are going to cover and the overview. I mean architecture overview of Power BI. Okay, and the topics what we are going to discuss in the regular classes, those stuff. Okay, after that I'll leave it for some time for Q&A session for you guys. You can put you can post your questions. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, let me know guys once you see my screen.
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Yes, we are
Okay.
able to see this.
Perfect. Yeah. Guess if you see right, okay. The main agenda of this training is like I'll try to cover most of the content which is related to Power BI. Okay. Basically, I basically divide this BI tools content into three parts. Okay. First one will be connecting to different data sources and getting data into Power BI. Okay, I'm going to show you from the file systems. I'll show you from the SQL database and also HANA database, SharePoint, some few of the online sites as well. And as you see, right, there is a concept called concept of in memory and in DB, that is like import data and direct query. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get the import data and how to get the direct query. Okay, is it possible to write the directly the SQL queries from Power BI, and which scenarios we basically go for import mode and which scenarios we go for direct query mode, and what is the key difference between these two things, and to improve the performance, which method we need to go, which method we need to use. Okay, those and all I'm going to discuss as part of the first topics concern. And you can see Power BI basically supports all these data sources where let me put it in the presentation mode. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, you can see it going to connect starts from Axis, Active Directory, the important like Hadoop SQL database, Excel files, text files, and you whether you want to get the data from a folder information, we basically call this as a metadata folder information. IBM DB2 database and SQL database, auditing database, you can get it. Okay, the most important things are SQL Server, Oracle database, and OData. Okay, I'm going to show a few of them like SQL database, important things, Excel, SAP HANA, okay, Oracle database, and all the file systems like OData, Excel, SharePoint, OneDrive, everything. I'll show you in the regular classes how to connect the data, how to bring the data. Is there any options to basically to improve the performance of those? Okay, and if you connect to the SQL database, how to connect via the import mode, how to connect via the direct query mode. We are going to see that in the regular classes. Once we get the data into Power BI, right, the next main agenda of ours is like data modeling. Okay, data modeling plays a very important role in Power BI. Okay, and as you see that I have a separate deck for the data modeling part. Okay, if you see right, what is basically once you have a tables. Okay, I'm going to touch base on the first thing like what is Snowflake schema, what is star schema in Power BI, what kind of schemas we are going to use. Okay, and how we basically create a relationships between the Power BI. Okay, let me open the Power BI desktop too, okay, to make you understand. Okay, and also what is a bidirectional filters and bidirectional filtering, okay, and cross filtering, Okay, this and all we are going to see it in the regular classes. Okay, and along with the data modeling, in the data modeling we have the advanced concepts of aggregations. Basically we'll take a table, and on the table when you perform the aggregations, and what's the benefit of creating the aggregations in the data model view. Okay, those and all will be covered along with the M query. Basically how the M query comes. Okay, I mean for each data source, when the inquiry gets updated, and what are the changes that can be possible on a data source. That is nothing but a transform data. You can see, right guys, here we have the transform data option over here. Okay, when to basically use the transform data option, and here there are a very key important features in that, like how when to create a parameters, how to create the functions. Okay, you can see there are functions, custom functions, how you basically pass those parameters by creating a functions, and data massaging stuff, unpivoting and pivoting the data, and transposing the data and merging the queries. Okay, those and all append queries, merging the queries, and all the options available here. Okay, and most important options like advanced editor. Okay, all these things, I mean reference, there is a concept of duplicating the data source, referring a data source, in which scenarios we normally go for a reference, and which scenarios we normally go for the duplicating a data source. Okay, those and all will be covered as part of the data modeling along with the Power Query editor options. Basically the main agenda of this one is, once you load the data into Power BI, okay, and how you transform the data. Okay, based upon requirements, how you transform the data, that's basically covered as part of the Power Query editor. Okay, now you have the data, okay, we get the data into Power BI, and we basically do the modeling of the data as required. Okay, and as per the requirements, I'm going to share you everything with the materials. Okay, I have the data models with me, I mean data samples with me. Okay, that I'm going to share it with you, and I'm going to show you one of the quickly I'll show you one of the file which is having, which basically I'll share it with the participants in the regular meetings, guys. Yeah, and here I'm going to show you importing those tables, creating the data models. Okay, those and all we'll see as part of the data modeling stuff. Okay, guys, any questions so far? Any questions you have, Ali and Nagarjuna, Kishore?
No,
No
yes.
questions, guys? No on S? Okay. Okay, no problem. Yeah, I'll take it as no. Let it be positive. Okay, and you can see, right guys, this is one of the sample file with me which is having it. Okay, and you can see how the data modeling has been done in this sample file. I'm going to show you how this can be achieved, and you can see how the relationships has been built. Okay, how you basically do the cardinality in the scenarios, to use which cardinality, and in which scenarios we basically use the filter direction. Okay, those and all will be, and what is an active filter and what is an inactive filter, and what is meant by referral integrity. Okay, those and all will be discussed as part of the data modeling stuff, which are well required for the Power BI developers to know while joining the tables. Okay, yeah. By this we have completed, I mean we are going, I just showed you the second step. Okay, my first step is getting data into Power BI, and second step is modeling the data and transforming the data based upon our requirements. Okay, that's the second step. Once we basically create the data modeling and transform data, right, next comes the important part of that. Okay, that is nothing but creating the dashboard. Okay, I'm going to show you, you can see these are the some little bit advanced dashboards where you can see where you can see the visualizations has been created, and these and all are the dynamic visuals basically. Okay, you can see data has been filtered dynamically based upon the user selection for 7 days, and you want to get the data for profits, revenues, everything. Okay, and you can see multiple dashboards has been created. Okay, for this, and this we are going to see in detail. Okay, for each and every visualization I'm going to show you with a one POC, and I'll explain you in detail about each and every properties. Okay, you can see if you select this pie chart, right, Okay, and you can see what are the format properties, what are the analytical properties we basically use. Okay, for each and every visualization, I'm going to show you in detail about when to use which visualization and which scenarios that visualization is going to be suitable. Okay, and I'm going to show that demo thing in the class. Okay, that's about the visualizations part. And the last part is publishing the visualization, basically how to publish the visualization, what is an workspace. Okay, and what and all are the limitations as a developer we can see in a workspace. Okay, what is a gateway and when to schedule use a gateway to schedule a report. Okay, those and all things we basically see as part of the publishing the report. Okay, and that's the next part. And next last important part is the DAX. Okay, DAX, we already know DAX plays a very important role in creating the visualizations. Okay, and you can see most of them I'm going to basically show you the most important DAX functions like calculate, filter functions. Okay, all selected, all. Okay, and keep filter functions like keep filters, remove filters, and arithmetic expressions like sum x. What is the difference between the difference between a sum and sum x, and what is the iteration functions we basically use. Okay, for each and every function, right guys, I have the separate POC for each and every function that we basically call it as a DAX Fridays. And you can see my screen, right? We have it for calculate, rank, top function, summarize function, switch function, and you can see the has one value, selected value, lookup values. Okay, cross filter. Okay, this and all are the things we I'm going to show you in detail about the DAX. Okay, this completes the complete topics which I'm going to cover. Okay, that's what I've mentioned it in the slide one. You can see it, right guys? Yeah, which basically talks about the desktop pro versus premium. Okay, and getting data into Power BI, this we already discussed, and how to connect to different data sources, data modeling in Power BI, relationships and gateway. Okay, and most important thing, measure versus calculated column. This what we do it using DAX. Okay, when to create a measure, when to create a calculated column. Okay, and the visualizations and their overview, and filtering, drill down, and parameters, and the Q&A in Power BI. Okay, how the Q&A works in Power BI. Okay, this and all we are going to see as a part of the complete training. Okay, and if you see the lastly, I'll just go for 5 minutes about the Power BI architecture part here. Okay, you can see this is a basic architecture of a Power BI. Okay, it's basically a client server architecture. Every developer will install the Power BI desktop in their systems. Okay, through Power BI desktop they connect to the external data sources. Here data sources can be Excel file, text file, Oracle database, SQL database, SAP HANA, Netezza, Teradata, and we use a direct query mode, or we can use the import mode to get the data here. Okay, and once we get the data into Power BI, we basically create the reports as per the requirement, and we basically publish those reports into the workspace, that is nothing but Power BI services. Once that report is published, we give the end users the permissions for them to view the reports, and they can use this delivery unit, like they can open the report in their mobile phones. I mean, it supports for Android, it supports for Apple, and it supports for iPads, and also we can also view in different sized screens of laptops and monitors. Okay, this is about the just an overview of Power BI architecture, and each component explanation has been provided in detail about in this slide. Okay, and this talks about the Power BI services and desktop and on-premise gateway. Okay, and what is meant by Power BI embedded and all those things. And if you see, this is the technical part of an architecture where you can see the data flow, how the data flows between the system internal systems. Okay, how the end users will basically connect to the workspace, and in turn how the data flow will happen between the gateway and the data sources, and if you connect to the cloud, how the connections happen. Okay, those and all will be seen in this Power BI architecture part, guys. Yeah, yeah, any questions guys, any questions on this? You can post me if you have any questions so far. Anyone? Any questions?
Yes, no, maybe.
What?
No.
Okay. This talks about the architecture part of the Power BI. Okay, and this talks about connecting to different data sources. And we have another stuff called from marketplace and from file. Basically, Power BI provides the leverage of getting data from not getting data, getting the custom visuals from the marketplace. Okay, Power BI has plugged in with multiple custom visualizations. Okay, and let's check not only the standard ones we can use. Okay, we can also use the custom ones from the we can import the custom from the app source, and this has been supported from the Power BI, and this contains like thousands of custom visuals, guys. Yeah, you can use whichever the visualization based upon your requirement. In our trainings, I'm going to show you like which what and all are the important custom visualizations, how to import them from the marketplace, how to use them. Okay, those we can see it as part of the regular training. Okay, yeah, and it comes to the last part of the Q&A. Okay, and like how you basically provide a questions, how you get the data, from Power BI. Okay, if you post any questions. Okay, that is also key feature in Power BI, we can use it. Okay, yeah, that's about Q&A. And online services, what is meant by online services, and this is not that much important, we can ignore it for this. Okay, and we are going to see the direct query mode and the import mode and different levels of privacy levels. Okay, what is private data source, organization data source, and public data source, and how this basically will impact our data connections when you choose a different from this list. Okay, yeah, those and all you can and we are going to discuss as part of the regular trainings. Okay, yeah, last but one Q&A. If you have any questions, guys, this is the demo. Okay, if you have any questions, you can post me your questions. Okay, happy to help or happy to answer your questions. Okay, that's it from my end, guys.
Any questions, guys? Any question?
Okay, Power BI Gateway. I can see from Power BI Gateway. Basically, Gateway is a bridge between your Power BI's online service and your in-premise databases. Okay, if you are creating any connection to your Power BI service, right? I mean, to your on-premise gateway, right? Okay, for that, definitely you need to register that data source, that on-premise data source in a gateway. But for the cloud databases, you don't require that one. Okay, hope that answers your question. Okay, any other questions, anyone? Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes.
Yeah,
Hello.
please.
Yeah. So in Tableau, we have like replace data source option. Like if I want to change the data source from Excel to the DB, I want to connect to the Oracle. There is an option.
Okay.
So the visualization won't change, but I change the data
I know
source.
it.
Yeah. So
It's possible in Power BI also.
it is possible in Power BI. I heard that there are some challenges while replacing the data source. Is it correct? Or, am I right?
No,
Or
there is no challenge. No, there is no challenges. As I know,
okay,
there is no challenge. We can do that. Yeah, we can do
okay,
that flexibly.
okay,
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 I'm
fine.
going to show that one also, how to
Yeah,
replace it and all those things. Yeah.
okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions, guys? Anyone?
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
What is the data visualization in Power BI?
Data visualizations are visualizations basically.
Visualization.
Sorry, I'm not getting you.
Data visualization.
Yeah,
Something
data
in,
visualization. Data visualizations are the standard visualizations like bar chart, line chart. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Lokesh, what he is trying to ask, what is mean by visualization?
visualization.
Okay. Visualization is nothing but pictorial representation of a data. Okay.
Yeah.
You have a raw data. How you basically show is like you visualize the data. Okay, and that we do it by using the visualizations which are there in Power BI. You can see, right? Okay, if you give the end user the data, right? Okay, they can't analyze it, right? If you give them in the table, raw table format, they can't answer it, right? Let's say if you create a visualizations like this, right? Okay, visualizations for the data, that's why you basically call as a data visualizations. Okay, all these are basically used as a visualizations, okay, on top of the data, so that based upon the data, this data gets injected into this visualizations. Those visualizations gets basically gets appeared in your dashboards. Okay,
Sir, how many data types we can convert, sir, in Power BI?
there are so many, I mean 10 to 15 are there. You can
10
use
to
all of those.
Okay.
Lokesh, can you name some? I'm not sure. I don't know exactly. So
Data types, see, we have text. Okay, you can convert the integer. You have the general. Okay, you have the options for a postal code. You have the options for the longitude, latitude, and boolean. You can do that. Okay, all those data types, I can show that
um,
one also.
Lokesh, actually, my question is: suppose if I'm connecting with SQL, that is the one data source. If I'm connecting with SAP, PO,
Database,
then I'm another data. Yeah, I think
database you are
database.
asking. Okay, database
Yes,
is
yes.
like
How
yeah,
many
as
types?
like
Yeah.
there are so many other. You can connect to almost all the databases. You can see, right? Yeah, you can connect to all these
Yeah.
databases. That's what I've given in the demo, like SQL, Oracle,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
and you name it. Like you can connect to any of this. Yeah,
Okay. For directly from the websites or SAP
yeah, yeah, yeah,
or
yeah,
Teradata.
yes. Teradata, Netezza,
Okay.
and also Hidesite, and this is one, and OData feed, and you can connect to folders, and you can see directly connect to web pages. You can load the web pages information and web trends,
Yeah. 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 Thank you.
XML, all those. Yeah.
Got it. Got it. Please, thanks.
Any questions, guys? Any other questions?
Lokesh, you have mentioned something like DAX. What is DAX?
Basically, right, in Excels we have the formulas, right? Let's take you have two columns. Just to give an quick example, okay, you have first name and last name, but as per our requirement we need a full name column. Okay, we use concatenate function to concatenate the two columns. Am I right? Yeah, those are nothing but a DAX functions, whether you want to do the sum x. Okay, but here you have most advanced ones doing the filtering. Okay, and it's a huge vast language. Okay, we are going to cover complete basics of things and what are regular functions which we basically use regularly.
Okay.
Okay, and full form of DAX is data analysis expressions.
Okay. So we use DAX for
Okay,
connecting something, right?
no, 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 no. To basically convert the data.
To convert the data. Okay.
Okay, data to do the aggregations, to do the converting. Okay, all this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, no problem.
Guys, last thing to add. So everyday videos will be uploaded on the by before the next day. So suppose today class will be done, within a couple of hours, all the videos will be uploaded into the YouTube, and we'll be sharing all the links. And second thing, if you have any questions, you can directly call to us at any time. We'll happy to help you. From tomorrow, class timings will be changing. I'll be keep posting with you guys. Like I'll be posting. I'll be calling you directly, or I'll be posting in the group. But class timings will be different from tomorrow. This is a demo class. We prepared this 8 to 8:30. But from tomorrow, class timings will be different.
Yeah, exactly.
Sunil, one more thing. Just now, one of my colleague and friend has joined this meeting.
Okay.
Just wanted to introduce him. His name is Afzal Jani. So
Okay.
please introduce yourself, Afzal.
Hi, Afzal. Thanks very much for joining within very short notice. So whatever we have discussed today, we'll be sharing you the link. And if you have any questions, please come back to us. We are happy to help you. And today's we haven't discussed any technical stuffs. We just discussed about what is Power BI, how it is, what it is, all those things. But anyway, tomorrow we'll be covering this topic and we'll be continuing with the next topics for your comfort. Do you want to introduce yourself, Afzal?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, Afzal, I think there is some network issue from you. Yeah, I can hear you, but voice is very low.
Actually, can you hear me?
Anyway, Afzal, I think there are a lot of disturbance from you. We'll discuss about this tomorrow. We'll have a small quick introduction from you tomorrow. Is that okay for you?
Okay, fine.
Yep. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah. We'll have a small discussion tomorrow. Okay. As I said, I'll be changing the timing from tomorrow. I'll keep you posted. Any questions, guys? Final thing.
Can you share me this recording if possible?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
we'll share
Please. Yeah, I'll share this recording. Please share all your email IDs to me. By tomorrow morning, you will be getting the access to all the videos. I mean, whatever we are going to share.
Sure, Sunil. We'll share the email IDs.
Yes. So we need your feedback, guys. So we are just started. We are just a baby. We might be done a lot of mistakes, and we are also evolving ourselves. We are also human beings. Whatever you feel, please do let us know. We are happy to correct ourselves. We'll always evolve for a better human being. Yeah.
Guys, one thing to add up here. Yeah, definitely your feedbacks are really helpful for us. Okay, if you want to decrease my pace also, I'm ready to do that. Okay, I'll go a little bit more slowly also. Okay, and I'll touch base on the very important topics very stressfully, so that put more interest on that for you guys to understand them in better way. Okay. Yeah, and happy to see you all, and then thanks for joining. Okay.
Yeah, Lokesh, one more thing I want to add.
Yeah, please. Please.
Actually, we require from the basics. If you can start with the basics, like the functionality and what is going on in the real time, so that
Okay.
if you can give us some examples to start with.
Definitely.
Like
Yes, guys. Lokesh, let me interrupt. So, guys, what is our motto? What we are going to discuss is we always, as we all are working, myself and Lokesh and everyone is working. Whatever we discuss with you, that will be real-time point of how the client is expecting, what is the customer requirement, how to finish
Okay.
that thing, how you are going to answer that particular thing while you face in the interview. Everything will be at the interview point of view and customer point of view. Right?
Okay.
So, and second thing, we'll be giving you the assignments, and we'll be taking you the mock interviews. We'll be helping you to, we'll give you some realistic data sets, and we'll ask you to create a dashboards. Everything will be covered. And another thing, we'll starting from the zero. Suppose you don't know anything about Power BI, we'll start from zero. After the course,
Yes.
you will be confident that you will be cracking your own interview for 3 or 4 years of experience. That is our motto.
Yes, Sunil. This is a new subject to us. We are not actually don't know anything about this subject.
Yeah,
Just
we'll
want
be
to.
starting from
Yeah.
zero. Yes, thank you. Well, thanks for reminding us. Lokesh, you want to add anything?
As Sunil said, right, guys? Yeah, definitely. I'll start with the basics of even with the SQL. Basically we need what is joins. Okay. Those stuff. What is star schema? What is Snowflake schema? Okay. And practice wise, guys, I'll definitely bombard you with lots of practicing things. I'll share you the sample data sets also. Okay. And one thing I expect from you guys is like you people have to do more practice. Okay, basically for teaching any of the BI tools and for understanding purpose, it's easy. Okay, if I repeat it twice or thrice, you'll definitely get to understand. Remembering the subject and doing the different scenarios of practicing, which basically gives you the good hands-on, guys. Yeah.
Yes, sir, Lokesh.
What is the
Only thing what? Sorry, go ahead. Sorry, guys, go ahead. Someone want to ask something. Please go ahead.
Yeah. What is the prerequisite? What is required?
Lokesh, you want to answer this question?
Yeah. Basically,
please.
guys, data sets, I'm going to give it to you. Okay, and you just need to install the Power BI desktop in your systems. Okay, and you can use that to connect to that, and even way to download it and all. Sunil and me will help you on that side.
I'll help you to how to download it. I have a separate video. I'll share it with you. But if you need anything, you can connect me on the Zoom or some TeamViewer. I'll help you to download it. Yeah, that's not. And the final thing, what we are expecting from you is please be punctual to the classes. Please don't ignore that. I'll be getting the video and watch it later. And second thing, please do practice. And third and most important thing, assignments. We'll be giving you some assignments. Please do finish it on time so that we can evaluate your skills, where you are, what are the improvements we are planning to change on those things. Okay. And last and foremost thing, your feedback. Whatever you feel, please do let us know. We are happy to update ourselves.
Sure, Sunil.
Sorry guys, I'm speaking too much. I don't know, you people might get bored. Anyway, tomorrow another 2 more new people are about to join. So we'll start the demo and we'll start the classes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thanks, guys.
Lokesh.
Thanks for
Thank you,
joining.
Lokesh.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your
Yeah.
time. Thanks
Yeah.
everyone.
And
Thank you. Thank you,
have a good
Lokesh.
day. Yeah. Thank you, and have a good and stay safe, guys. Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you. Lokesh. Thanks everyone. Enjoy.
Thank you, Sunil. Thank you, Sunil. Thank you, everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. నీ ఆకాశం ఇద్దామనుకున్నా మబ్బులు నిన్నే కమ్మేస్తాయి